Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul, tiny haul from Michael's and from Tuesday morning. So what did I get from Michael's? Just got a refill on the small Xyron. I also had the large refill on the small one, and that's to go scrapbooking at a crop. And I got these two Project Life books for, I think it was $4. I use these when I make layouts for people, and I put them in here for them, so I keep it with them. I actually prefer like Creative Memories. Always a little bit better than those because I don't like the 3-ring binders as much. I use them, but they eventually seem to fall apart. And then I did pick up a couple things. This has been out for on and off, I don't know how long. But I just got 2 of these books by Tim Holtz, and this is the worn binder. It has the 2 rings in there. Can't see it, but it was $2.99. The other one they had was $3.49. I don't know why they were the same size, whatever. But anyway, these been in and out. This one has up here June, but I thought of something I wanted to do with that, and I did pick up this Spellbinders stamp 2079677 for $4.49. It says, "This life is meant for you to be happy." And I don't think I picked it up the last time this was out. Pretty sure this was the one I didn't get. I mean, I saw it, but I didn't get it the last time, but I decided to get it this time. And the number on this one was 2109555. I did pick up, oops, wait a minute, I'm missing one. I picked up 2 of these stamps, and I'm trying to figure out what I did with it. They had a couple more of the house mouse. So this one is Knit Gift for $2.99 at 2149089. I thought it was just kind of cute. And then I picked up, but I get the other house mouse in just a second. This one, which I already have, so it's going back. 2151710. So this is a duplicate, so this is going back to Tuesday morning. And then I picked up, hold on one second, let me grab this house mouse. Okay, so I couldn't decide if I had another stamp or not, and I left my bag in the car with the extra one to return the duplicate of that, so with my receipt. So I feel like going up to the car because it's nighttime. But the other thing I did get, which has been out before, back in June, August, no, I think it was August, they had these out. I know I've seen it like twice before in my store, but I didn't get it. And again, apparently it's going to be for the November green. This is in October, and again, my videos are out of order. I apologize because of the computer issues that I've had, and some of them, I don't know, the computer had dates wrong, so I don't know when stuff is coming out. So again, I apologize. This probably it'll be November probably time to stuff. But anyway, this is the mini evolution, and I kept trying to decide what to do, if I want to keep it or not, but it's only $25. It's $24.99, and the number is 2214071, and it does come with the mini evolution and the plates. It comes with the precision press, the base plate, embossing plate, cutting plate, 4 layered stamps, 2 die and emboss folders, 1 embossing folder, 15 acrylic stamps, 5 die shapes, 25 sheets of white, and 25 sheets of cream paper. So I actually would do it's separate and open it up, because somebody already inboxed me. I had sent a picture to them, and it's like, because I thought they had it, and they said you need to do one separately. I want to see that one. And on my other video, I did also pick up this kit. So I know it's 4 of them all together. So see if I can find the other ones. But anyway, that's what I got so far. So that is my haul. And if you have one of these, let me know your thoughts. I went to the all day crop, and my cutterboard plates seem to have gotten missing. So I don't know, that's what kind of made me want this to take to the crop, smaller versus my bigger one. But anyway, we'll see. Alright, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.